Do you ever get that sound of grumbling tummy just before you wanted to work out or get that exercise done? It's a total mood spoiler. But here's an easy energy drink that you could make it overnight so that the mornings are hassle-free. So let's get started with Chia Fresca. And hey, welcome to Alchemy. To make this energy drink, I took about 2 tablespoons of coconut meat, which was 18 grams. That gives you around 60 calories. Now, coconut is a fruit that's got good fats. The fats are medium chain triglycerides, which are absorbed and used by our body to produce energy. We know what is chia, those super seeds or superfood seeds, whatever. But what is fresca? Well, it's a beverage with just any fruit or seeds or flowers with sugar and water. They are popularly called as agua fresca. Agua means water and fresca means cool in Spanish. After chia seeds and honey are added, pour in coconut water, which is your natural sports drink. It's a good source of fiber, vitamin C, and several other important minerals. And hey, 1 cup is only 46 calories. So this drink is just around 238 calories, give or take 10 calories, which, by the way, will put an end to that sound in the tummy. If you're getting some value from this video, hit that like button and drop in a comment as to whether you agree to the weird feeling of eating chia seeds where a couple of them decide to play hide and seek in your mouth. Now on to the controversial question. Do chia seeds help you lose weight? Well, diets high in fiber have been linked to weight loss, and chia seeds are 40% fiber by weight, making them one of the best sources of fiber in the world. But here's the catch. Unfortunately, the study showed no impact or correlation of losing weight by just consuming chia seeds. Which brings me to the next video where I will show you how to make a fat cutter drink, which is going to help you lose weight, or how about some immune boosting concoction. And until next time, see you later.